Hey guys, just giving you another video here. Today we're going to put the gas tank in. I picked up a fuel tank for it. The tank that I'm using is a Spectra Premium, and it's designed for the 67 to 69 F bodies with the LS swap. So that means it's got the high pressure pump already installed. Let's get this cut open here and take a peek. So the only thing with this is it uses a return system, which on the intake that I'm using is a returnless fuel system. So they do have a fuel filter that I could use that will actually return it from the fuel filter. Now the tank pressure is 60 psi. That's right about the area that I want. Let's see here. So I got the wire harness. It's got a nice handy little connector and pigtail end that'll splice right into the electrical harness. That's not too bad. Clean fit here. Came with the rubber insulators. The only thing it didn't come with was the straps, but lucky for me I kept my old ones and they were in pretty good shape, so got a fitting in case you want to hook it up to rubber line, but I'm going to try to keep it a steel line all the way to the front. So, and yeah, made in Canada, you don't see that too often. But that's it there. So if anybody's interested in doing a project like this, Spectra is your company to use. Now they do a lot of the other cars as well, like old Chevelles, GTOs, you know, everything from the old era. I mean, just check out their website and see what the applications they've got for. So I'm going to get the car jacked up and get that up in place and then strap it in. I'm not going to put any gas in it. I just want to get it fitted and get the neck installed, make sure I don't have problems there. Alright, I'll show you when I get to that point. I got the tank in. That was a pretty easy install. There wasn't much to it at all. Just throw it in and put the clamps on it. They're good. So the fuel lines are going to come from the right side. I might run it up to the left side over the axle tunnel there, and then up the left side to the front. So I'll figure that out when I start doing the lines. But other than that, fits pretty good. Just like stock tank. So